Highlight features of ZTT 500ML. Electric mini dehumidifier with external drain tube, compact portable mute removal, extract moisture dehumidifier. Small and portable. The dehumidifier is 24x.16.7x.11.1 cm. The dehumidifier ensures a space-saving dehumidification experience for rooms up to 215 cubic feet, 20 square feet. Ideal for small rooms up to 220 ml of water. Can be removed daily with a 500 ml water tank capacity. Suitable for your bathroom, kitchen, small room, growth room, storage room, and RV. Automatic power off. When the water is full, the dehumidifier is automatically powered off and used safely. User-friendly design. One button instant operation, dual voltage, silent work, to ensure the upgrade experience. External drain pipe with an external water outlet. It is easy to drain and bid farewell to troublesome water changes.